Do you want to know if branded service really is the highest paying service side or if it's a waste of time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and many viewers have asked me about an updated branded service review, so therefore I decided to record this video where I'll give you an inside look and show exactly what you can expect. So before I log in and show you how you can earn on branded service, let me just make it clear right away that it is a legit paid service site. I know that for a fact. I've been paid by it many times and thousands of my viewers have been paid by it also. So just want to make that clear. What you need to know is of course also who can join, because this is not a service site everyone can join. This is only if you live in the US, UK or Canada. And if you do not live in one of these countries, do not try to fake your country or anything like that, because you will just get banned. So if you do not live in one of these countries, I will instead leave a link in the top corner to a video I have about the general top service sites. You can check that out instead, where you can join from all countries. But if you do live in one of these countries, then you can join. So let me then just log in and then you can see exactly what you can earn, how much you can earn and how you can get paid. So I have now logged into branded service and it is very easy to use. You just log in and then you can see the different surveys here at the top, or the top recommended service. You can see how many points. We'll get to the value of the points in just a few minutes there, and you can see the estimated length of the survey. In my experience, this is fairly accurate. Sometimes it can be a little bit shorter, sometimes it can take a little bit longer. That depends on how you reply, but you can see the main ones there. And this is the main way to earn on branded surveys, because it is also called branded service. So the main way is to take paid surveys, and it does give quite a good amount compared to many other service sites. And just as a basic member, you also get quite good rewards compared to the time you invest in it, compared to many other service sites. But there is a way to also earn even more for each survey, which I will also go over in just a minute. But before going over that, it's important that you know when you come inside, there are some profile surveys and you actually earn points by filling out your profile survey. And this is what makes it possible for branded surveys to match you with more surveys. So it is quite important that you take the time to fill this one out. And then also you can see sometimes you might be invited to premium surveys, which will give you even higher rewards. So that's also something to keep an eye on. But let's go over a couple of more earning opportunities and also this method about how you can then earn even more for each survey. So when you're on the dashboard, you can scroll down and you can see there's something called a daily poll. And this is something I would definitely recommend you to check. It takes like literally 1 second. You just need to log in if you want to log in and see if there's available service anyways. And then you see there, you see how easy is it to find what you're looking for on branded service. You see, I just say like, okay, I find it very easy. And then I submit it and you see, then you get the results and then you actually earn 5 points. So it literally takes 1 second. You can do this once a day. So that's a way to easily just get a little bit extra every time you log in or every day when you log in. Another way to earn is by inviting friends. You can see that you can earn 50 points when they earn a silver badge. So you basically just go and you just click here to learn more. You will get an invitation link. If you share that with others, and they will end up joining, then once they earn the silver badge, you will earn 50 points. And what is the silver badge then? Well, this is a part of these membership levels that also gives you the chance to earn even more for each survey. So let's go over that, because this is a very important aspect to understand the earning potential of branded service. So branded service has what you can kind of call membership levels. They call it branded elite. And you can see that you can earn weekly bonuses when you complete at least 12 surveys per week. And the bonuses is a percentage of the total approved survey points for that week. And it can end up being quite a lot. So you see, when you just join there, you have this bronze membership there. You see, like if you take 12 surveys in a week, and that also gives you an idea about how many surveys they actually offer, because they do have quite a lot of surveys. Some survey sites, you will be lucky if you get 12 in a month or so, right? But anyways, you see, here you will then get a 5% bonus. That's a nice extra bonus to go for. And if you keep being active, you can also get other membership levels. You can see, for example, the silver badge you will get there. This is where you then get payouts instantly approved. So then it's a super fast paying site. And you see also then if you take more than 12 surveys per week there, then you get a 10% bonus there. And you can get up to a 14% bonus. And see then if you get to the gold membership, which you will get if you complete more than 25 surveys in a month, you see there. Then you can get up to 19% bonus of each survey. This means that branded surveys, when you reach this level, is one of the highest paying survey sites that I have tested. And I have tested hundreds of different paid survey sites, but because of these different membership levels, you end up getting really good rewards in my experience. But of course, you also need to know how you can get your earnings out. But before we go over that, let's also just go over one more way to potentially boost your earnings. So branded surveys also has leaderboards, and they have a daily leaderboard. So if you end up being one of the top earners on that day, you will actually earn some extra bonus points. And you can also see there's also some random selected winners sometimes. So just by being active, you can also actually get some extra points. You see the point payouts, you will get there 50 extra points for that. But they also have a weekly one where you can earn even more. And they also have a randomly selected winner and a monthly leaderboard. So just by being active, you will get the higher membership level, get a higher bonus, and you potentially also, if you end up on one of the leaderboards, will earn even more. So it's definitely worth keeping an eye on the leaderboards, in my opinion. So if you take a lot of surveys, just keep an eye, because maybe you are number like 3 or something on that on the daily or weekly or whatever. And then if you take a few more surveys, you will get a nice extra bonus. So definitely also something worth keeping an eye on. But let's go over how you can get paid, because that is one of the most important things you of course need to know when it comes to a survey site. But before going over that, it would be great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So when it comes to payout options, branded surveys give some really great options in my opinion. However, which options you can use depends on the country you live in. But overall, you need to only earn the equivalent to $5 to be able to get paid. So this is a very low payout threshold, very easy to reach. And the exact value for points, that of course varies a little bit depending on the currency in your country, but usually it's around 100 points is worth $1. And you can see some of the top rewards, or some of the rewards most people choose, is this BPay, which means you can actually get paid directly into your bank account. Not a lot of service sites offer to do that, but branded service is one of them. I think that's a really great option. This is not available in all countries, however. But then you can also choose Amazon gift card, PayPal, Visa gift cards. The exact rewards depends on your country. So for example, if we just check the US rewards, you can see the huge selection they have here. You see, if you just scroll down, and then you can see all these different gift cards in addition to bank transfer and PayPal. You see all these different gift cards, a lot of different options you can choose from. And the US is the country where it has the most payout options, but also in Canada and the UK, you see, they also have a lot of different ones. If you just scroll through here, of course, you can choose to get paid in cash via PayPal, but also choose between all these different gift cards. And they are all actually aimed towards your specific country. It's not just general gift cards. That's one thing I really like. And we can also just quickly scroll through the Canadian rewards just now when we add it. So you also get an idea, if you live in Canada, which options you have. You can see they are very relevant for Canada, all these different gift cards there. So definitely some really great payout options, a good low payout threshold that is easy to reach. And also when you reach the silver badge, then they will process the payout instantly, which means you get the earnings very fast. So overall, I think branded service is a really great paid service site. It's easy to use, it gives a lot of paid service, and it pays decently, especially if you just keep being active and get a higher membership level, and also maybe even end up on the leaderboard. And I love the payout options. They are very flexible. There are great rewards no matter your preferences, and also a low payout threshold. This is something they have improved since I first tested it. They have actually lowered the payout threshold to make it even faster to get paid, and you can get paid instantly when you reach the next membership level or reach the silver badge. So overall, if you live in the US, UK or Canada, branded service is definitely one of the paid service sites that I think is worth checking out. And I will also leave an invitation link below so you can easily go there and sign up if you're not yet a member and decide this is for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.